Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Perkenalkan, nama saya Tri Kristianti dari program studi Teknik Elektro yang ditugaskan untuk mengajar ESP atau English for Specific Purpose di Fakultas Teknik Universitas Wisnuwardana Malang. Video ini saya buat sebagai bagian dari persyaratan sertifikasi dosen sebagai bagian dari PDD UKT-PT atau pernyataan diri dosen dalam unjuk kerja Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi di bidang pengajaran. Sekarang izinkan saya untuk membeberkan atau mendeskripsikan mata kuliah yang akan saya sampaikan dalam video berikut. Nama mata kuliah ini adalah Bahasa Inggris Teknik dengan bobot 2 SKS yang diambil oleh mahasiswa pada semester 1. Untuk capaian pembelajaran lulusan, ini menyangkut pada P4, yaitu lulusan sarjana teknik elektro dapat melanjutkan jenjang akademik yang lebih tinggi ke jenjang magister maupun doktoral. Selain itu, di S3 diharapkan bahwa lulusan dari teknik elektro mampu berkontribusi dalam peningkatan mutu kehidupan bermasyarakat, berbangsa, bernegara, dan kemajuan peradaban berdasarkan Pancasila. Kemudian untuk KU2 diharapkan bahwa lulusan mampu menunjukkan kinerja mandiri, bermutu, serta terukur. Kemudian untuk KK3 mampu melakukan riset yang mencakup identifikasi, formulasi, dan analisis masalah rekayasa pada sistem tenaga listrik, sistem kendali, dan sistem komputer. Kemudian untuk PP3 menguasai prinsip dari isu terkini dalam bidang ekonomi, sosial, ekologi, maupun hal-hal yang secara umum. Untuk capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah sendiri, saya harapkan sebagai dosen pengampu mata kuliah ini, mahasiswa mampu menelaah isi bacaan dari teks dan jurnal berbahasa Inggris khusus dalam bidang teknik elektro secara sistematis dari segi tata bahasa, kontervensi, serta merancang produk berupa penemuan sederhana yang dituangkan dalam CAP2, C6, dan juga A2. Sedangkan untuk deskripsi mata kuliah ini bertujuan untuk memberikan kemampuan kepada mahasiswa dalam memahami serta mempraktekkan konsep dasar berbahasa Inggris berdasarkan struktur dan tata bahasa atau structure and grammar secara tepat melalui kegiatan listening, reading, discussion, dan conversation and speech dengan subpokok bahasa, integrasi khusus yang terdapat dalam Kaidah Bahasa Inggris Khusus Teknik Elektro atau English for Specific Purpose (ESP) yang ditujukan untuk mahasiswa serta profesional agar dapat berkomunikasi secara pasif maupun aktif yang mencakup bahan bacaan atau reading comprehension, kemudian tata bahasa, structure and grammar, latihan mendengarkan percakapan atau listening, dan juga percakapan aktif atau active conversation yang merupakan bagian dari tugas akhir untuk merancang produk menggunakan teknologi sederhana sebagai proyek akhir. Metode pembelajaran yang saya gunakan di sini adalah berbentuk ceramah, kemudian diskusi, dan juga presentasi bagi mahasiswa. Selain itu, saya menggunakan media berupa laptop, aplikasi pembelajaran, serta artificial intelligence tools atau AI tools seperti ChatGPT atau Gemini yang saya minta mahasiswa supaya penggunaannya lebih maksimal dalam membangkitkan rasa percaya diri mereka dalam menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Kemudian, dalam pembelajaran ini juga saya menggunakan metode DIA atau Delivery Interaction and Assessment. Dalam hal ini, saya meminta mahasiswa untuk aktif dalam mengerjakan tugas, kemudian melakukan assessment berupa rubrik untuk self-assessment mereka, supaya mereka dapat mengukur kemampuan mereka dalam menggunakan bahasa Inggris atau selama pembelajaran ESP atau English for Specific Purpose. Dalam sistem pengajaran, saya berusaha untuk menggunakan 100% bahasa Inggris untuk memudahkan mahasiswa dalam memahami serta memperdengarkan percakapan serta instruksi yang sederhana dalam bahasa Inggris supaya mereka terbiasa sehingga menumbuhkan rasa percaya diri mereka dalam menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Sekarang izinkan saya untuk menunjukkan RPS saya dalam mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris Teknik sebagai berikut.
Dan berikut adalah video pembelajaran pada pertemuan ke-13 di mana mahasiswa akan melakukan presentasi berupa hasil karya mereka Simple Home Invention Using Eco Green Materials atau prototype produk sederhana. Jadi pada point delivery saya akan menerangkan dan memberikan contoh pembuatan prototype sederhana melalui video. Lalu pada proses interaction berupa tanya jawab dan assessment menggunakan rubrik penilaian sehingga tercapai metode DIA.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. This is like elementary students, yeah? I'm fine. How about you? Or I'm fine. And you, yeah? Alright, have you got your breakfast today?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, why not?
Because I'm late to the class.
Because you're late to the class. Okay. How about you, Ba? Have you got your breakfast? Yeah? No? No? Okay. Alright, so today's topic is about presentation. Okay, so today is meeting 10. But before that, I'm going to re-show you the video about how to make a simple invention. Okay? Okay, so today's topic is about this is the learning objectives that I have shared in your RPS. Yeah, we have GPMK atau capaian mata kuliah, and then we have sub JPMK, and then the sources that you need to use for making this simple invention. Yeah. All right, we go directly to designing simple home invention using the recycled materials. You bring your invention, right, for today?
Yes.
Yes. How many groups do we have for today?
Two,
Yeah?
groups.
Only two groups, okay. Alright, so this is the example. Let's watch the video before you start your presentation.
We are here to discuss career,
Please a hole in the letter cup for the purpose of the water. Put glue on the letter cup. So after the motor bubble. And forget to put glue on the bottom of the letter cup. As we go to the rope, cut well to make the rope tight. Put the weight on the end of the rope.
connect the bedroom cable with the switch. They use the base Apply glue to the rope to the triangle. They use chemical.
Apply glue to the rope
the example of making the simple invention, yeah? And I believe that all of you have watched this video, right, at home, because I have shared this video like 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago? 3 weeks.
1 month.
Sorry? 1 month ago.
Yeah.
Okay, months ago, yeah?
Oh.
All right. Okay, so before you start your presentation, do you have any questions so far?
Minat.
No? Okay, that's enough. Yeah, all right. Okay, so group 1, yeah? So you are going to make a, you are going to present,
Okay.
your electric group,
Yes.
yes? Oh, hang on.
Ready.
This is the video, and all right. For what? Time's yours.
Go. Okay, good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Ma'am.
Morning.
Introducing myself, my name is Arif Ulanam. You can be Arif. I am from electrical engineering, and this is my friend.
My name is Stefan Hanstia.
And then
My name is Yunova Srianto.
I am from group 1, and this is the today I am present to make electric broom. Why I make my electric broom in my group? Because in my mind every day much people clean a floor in the house, in the classroom, in the office, cleaning for floor. But every day is cleaning floor with manually broom. Manually broom too much energy for the cleaning the floor. The electric broom for the reduce the energy for the cleaning floor in room or in house.
Okay.
Okay, I present to my video.
Yes.
Enjoy watching.
Hello everyone, today I will present how to make an electric broom with user group. The following are the material used to make it. 1 bulb, 2 battery, 3 chopstick, 4 mineral water bottle caps, 5 cables, 6 switch, 7 hot glue, 8 electric motor, 9 straws, and last 10 plastic. Okay, this is how to make it. First, attach clear plastic to cardboard to make a broom cover. Then we connect the cardboard piece to make a broom body with hot glue. Make a pulley from a buttercup to turn the broom. Put the bottom caps together with hot glue, making the shaft with the chopstick. Slap in the chopstick and lift the ends, making a broom from raffia rope. Insert the raffia rope into the shaft. Connect the cable with battery. Install switch for on-off and add hot glue to make stronger. Install the broom axle with straws and add hot glue to make stronger. Connect the cable from battery to electric motor. Try it electric broom with on the switch. Thank you for your watching. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you this long presentation. Any question?
Yes. Okay. That was a very great presentation, group one. Anyone, do you have any questions for them or a suggestion? Anything? Yes. Hmm? Yes. Raise your hand. Okay.
Okay. What needs to be maintenance on this tool?
How to maintain this picture?
Yes.
The maintenance is electric room is simple. Only cleaning in the waste bin, and you can replace the battery from 2 months or 3 months.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Any more questions? Mas, I saw from your presentation, it's written raffia rope. What is raffia rope in English?
Because I don't know what's the name
That kind of
Yeah.
name, yeah, that name, yeah, in English, yeah.
Raffia is in Indonesia and rope tali.
Yeah, okay.
I
Okay, so my question is, so anyone, if you found some different term that you cannot find in dictionary, or you don't know how to make it into English, please be remember to find out about the materials. Okay, so you know raffia, right? Tali raffia?
Yes.
What is it made? What is it made?
On Europe.
No. What is it made? Tali raffia.
Plastic.
Plastic. So it is
Plastic rope.
plastic rope.
Oh.
Yes, that's all.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, that's really simple, yeah.
Yeah.
So remember to focus on the material. What it is made? Yeah. So we call it as plastic rope, something like that.
Maybe not the name is material.
Yeah, because sometimes because I'm Indonesian, so I know that's raffia, right?
Yeah.
But when you make like when you give a kind of presentation in a real life, in a real work, and your audience is people, yes, not Indonesian people, they will get confused what kind of thing it is. Although you show the picture or the video about this is raffia. Alright?
Alright.
Okay. Do you have any questions, anyone? Or suggestion for them? Yes or no? No? Oh, okay. One question.
Maybe it's just a suggestion for change rope plastic to grass.
Okay.
To the grass.
Yes. Thank you for your suggestion. But this presentation is for recycle from material, only little project.
Yeah, okay. Alright, give a applause for group one. Thank you, group one. Okay. The next group? Oh yeah, you can bring it. Oh, you want to show to us? Do
yes.
demonstration?
Okay.
Oh, okay. How? Do you need
And
Mas?
Okay.
Shall we put this one on the table? Do you need the table?
Yes, in this, because this web and table web.
Oh, okay,
And
so
color is
it's not clear. Oh, here. Oh, okay. Hang on.
Okay, there you are. Yes. Does it work? Okay. Okay. So you put the paper inside, yeah?
This app,
Uh-huh.
this example is this.
Yeah. Okay. And how to clean the paper inside?
Off the switch and open the cover room
Oh.
and go to waste bin.
Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you, Group 1. Let's give applause for Group 1.
now we are moving to the next group. Group 2, are you ready? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, alright. Time's yours.
Okay. Good morning, mom and friends.
Good morning.
Morning.
The group 2 will present a video simple from the Dynamo and screen stick. I, Alphonsius Lende, will be the moderator today. Your group members are myself, Alphonsius Lende, Pada saat olahraga, and I give my friend the opportunity to explain a bit of this video. Hello everyone, in this video we will show you a portable friend from Dynamo and stick is converting the electrical energy of the battery into mechanical energy from the dynamo. Battery emission. Oh, extreme stick like global or strong goods.
Okay, group 2, is that all? Yes? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so do you have any questions for them? Yes? Yes? Anyone? It's your hand. But? Okay.
Okay.
Yes, alright.
Your inspiration how to make the pen from
The preparation.
no your the pen your inspiration
Oh,
from
inspiration.
inspirasi membuat ini dari mana you make the pen.
Why did you make this pen? Why?
YouTube
YouTube.
Oh, okay. Alright. Other questions? Or suggestion for them? This is unique, yeah, because they use like the dynamo of Tamiya, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes? Yes.
Dynamo Tamiya.
The dynamo Tamiya, right?
Yes.
Yes. Tamiya is like a car, yeah? The miniature car. Yeah? Yeah. So you are experienced with Tamiya, yeah? You are experienced with Tamiya.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we are at the same age then, because today's students, they don't know about Tamiya, right? They've got gadget. They play more like Mobile Legends, something like that. Yeah.
because 20 years ago I'm just a boy not parents.
Oh, okay, yeah, right. Okay, but my question is, why did you make Dynamo Tamiya as your friend? Why? Why not the others? Because? You may answer it in Bahasa Indonesia. It's okay. In Bahasa Indonesia.
Karena penggunaan itu
Because it is part of? Hmm? They are whispering. Yes, ma'am?
because you have Tamil
Whose Tamiya is it? Tamiyanya siapa ya? Dinamo Tamiyanya siapa yang diambil? Punya siapa?
Ini di pesan.
Apa?
Dibeli.
Oh, okay, okay, alright. Yeah, okay. So, because Tamiya is, the toy like years ago, yeah, decades ago, and if you have that car, you can take it as the eco-green materials, right? Ya, jadi itu kan barang bekas ya, recycle, jadi bisa dimanfaatkan. Alright, give a plus for the group ini. Okay, good. So, okay, I think that's all for the presentations, right? So there are only 2 groups for today, am I right? Yes. Okay. How many groups left? How many groups haven't presented yet? Could you please raise your hand? The group that haven't presented yet, raise your hand. Higher. Okay. All right. So 1 and 2. So 2 groups, yeah.
Yes.
All right. Can we make it like next week? Are you ready to have your presentation for next week?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And you've got your video already? Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Okay. All right. So for those students who have presented their work, please kindly upload your video in our WA group, or I will give you the link for G Drive. Yeah. Link of G Drive. So you may submit it there. All right. Do you have any questions so far? Yes, Mas.
The next week, my friend is presentation. Finish presentation to the class or no?
No, you don't have. No, you are free. Yay!
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, finally. Yeah. Okay, so only 2 groups, yeah.
Yes.
Please come together with all of your group's member. Yeah. If one group consists of 3 students, so how many students should come?
7.
If one group consists of 3 students,
Yeah.
how many students should come?
6.
What? Oh yeah, 6, yeah. If 2, yeah.
6 people.
If 2 groups, yes. 3 and 3.
This group
But
is 4 people. not
4. So bring your group members, yeah? So 4. 4 students must come for next week. And also for this group as well, yeah? We are going to rearrange the room and also the time. Alright, do you have any more questions?
Enough, ma'am.
No? Mas? Okay. Alright, so thank you for joining my class. I'll see you next week. Stay healthy, everyone, and thank you so much for being with me today. Alright, have a lovely weekend. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Demikian hasil dari PDD UKT-PT saya atau pernyataan diri dosen dalam unjuk kerja Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi. Terima kasih banyak atas waktunya yang sudah diluangkan untuk menonton video saya dari awal hingga akhir. Semoga kita selalu dalam keadaan sehat dan sejahtera serta bahagia hari ini, esok, dan seterusnya. Saya Tri Kristianti dari Program Studi Teknik Elektro Universitas Wisnu Wardana Malang. Undur diri dulu, terima kasih banyak, sampai jumpa.